In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your wallet balance on your PlayStation 5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it, and if at any point you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But your wallet balance is the money tied to your PlayStation account that you can use to buy games, DLCs, or subscriptions. The fastest way to see it is directly through the PlayStation Store. So from the PS5 home screen, go ahead and scroll left and select the PlayStation 5 Store. Once you're inside, go ahead and scroll all the way to the right and you're going to see these three dots up here. Go ahead and select that, and from here, you're going to see your wallet balance displayed just below your profile name. As you can see, right now I have no money in my PlayStation 5 wallet, but this is going to show you exactly how much money you have available to spend. From the same menu, you can also add funds by choosing a payment method like credit card, PayPal, or redeeming a PlayStation Store code. It's completely up to you, and it's going to make it extremely easy for you to top off your account whenever you need to buy something. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But this is how you can now quickly check and manage your PlayStation 5 wallet balance. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.